Do you want to start doing yoga but you are not sure which style of yoga you should choose? Hatha? Ashtanga? Vinyasa? Yin? Kundalini? Hot yoga? Not that kind of hot. Exactly. Hi! Aiden here from YogiBabe.life, and in this video I'm gonna share with you 5 different types of yoga so you can choose the one that suits you the best. But before we're gonna do that, take a moment to hit that subscribe button if you didn't do it already. I'm watching you. And let's begin! The first on our list is Ashtanga. Ashtanga is a physically challenging style made of fixed sequence of poses you're gonna repeat in every class. Ashtanga requires strength and endurance, so if you are just starting out, consider the next yoga style, Hatha Yoga. Hatha is best if you are just starting out, as the pace is far slower than the other styles. During Hatha class, you're gonna stay in one pose for a minute or two, and every class will be different. Next on the list is Vinyasa Yoga. Vinyasa is all about flowing from one pose to another. You are not gonna hold one pose for too long. Both Ashtanga and Vinyasa are great if your goal is to tone the body and lose some weight. The next style is Kundalini. Kundalini is for those who are looking for more than a workout. It's a more spiritual experience. This style of yoga is physically demanding, mentally challenging, and involves a lot of meditation, chanting, and breathing exercises. The fifth style is Yin. Yin yoga is a super slow pace style of yoga. Very slow. During Yin class, you will hold poses for 1, 2, and even 5 minutes, mostly supported by blocks, pillows, blankets, as you are supposed to let gravity do the most of the work. Yin is a great class for all levels that helps develop inner peace and flexibility. Now, there are many more types of yoga out there. Hot, restorative, perinatal, bhakti, raja, Iyengar, jivamukti, anusarna, and even laughter yoga. Yes, it's real, but keep in mind that all of those styles have one goal: to connect us to something greater than ourselves by learning to control our body and mind. What is your favorite style of yoga? Let me know in the comments below. Before you go, remember to subscribe to my channel, I'm watching you, and to do yoga. It just makes life better. Ciao!